Hey, it's Glenn from Digital Synergy, and today we're going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube in 4 easy steps. I'll also be telling you my underground method for getting rankings in Google and YouTube with free traffic, so stay tuned. All right, so if you're wondering how to make money on YouTube and become a YouTuber, you're in the right place. I've got 4 steps that I'm going to go over. So the first step to making money with YouTube is getting everything set up. You'll need to create a YouTube account and an Adsense account. And all you need is a Gmail email address to get started. And if you don't have a Gmail account, it's easy to create. Just go to Google, type in how to create a Gmail account, and it'll take you to basically their sign up page, which looks something like this. And then you just input your details, put your name, create a username and a password, and then as easy as that, follow the prompts and you can get your account set up within just a few minutes. All right. Next, you'll have to create a channel. So once you created your Gmail account, just go to YouTube and then you'll put in your email address to create your channel. Simply give your channel a name, upload a profile image, cover art image. They'll also ask you to, you'll also need to put a description for what your channel is about. Fill in all the basic details, links to your website and stuff like that. Pretty basic stuff when you're setting up a social media account. And once you've created your YouTube account, and your YouTube account, you'll just need to connect it to Adsense. All right, so to connect it to Adsense, just type in google.com/AdSense/start, or just do a quick Google search for Adsense. It'll bring you up to the same place. And so what Google AdSense is, it's the advertising platform that Google uses for its own sites and partner sites, including YouTube. This is how you'll make, this is one way that you can make money on Google and YouTube. So just basically follow the prompts. You can go here, hit get started. It'll ask you for the URL of your site. Basically, these are the instructions right here. When you type it in, enter the URL of the site that you want your ads to show on. Enter your email address, choose whether you'd like AdSense to send you customized help and performance suggestions, then just click save and continue, and follow the prompts once again, and you'll be good to go. All right, so step number 2 is basically creating videos, okay? And there are lots of methods that you can choose for creating videos, and this ultimately will depend on what your channel is about, and whether or not you want to be the face of the brand or show your face and stuff like that. But I wanted to provide a list of some of the most popular types of videos that you can create, so that will help you decide perhaps which is best for your particular channel. So the first type of video I want to talk about is they call it unboxing. Okay, so unboxing videos. I'll just do a quick search to show you some examples here. You can see plenty of them. I'm sure you probably have already seen something like this, where somebody chooses a product and receives it, gets the package, opens it up, and basically shows you what the buyer experience is like. And this is a great way to make a video, as this really has become a key method for viewers to make purchasing decisions. All right, so that's a good way to go. The next way I want to show you is educational. See if we can get some examples here. So here's, let's say, for toddlers. So here, these are just learning videos, the educational. This is any video that provides value by educating the viewer, pretty much on just about any topic. It could be fashion, it could be, baby industry, it could be beauty, music, cooking, food, just about anything you can think of. The next type of video is the how-to video. It's very, and again, we can pretty much how to do anything, right? You can type in anything. Again, these are how-to videos, very similar to the educational videos, but it's focused on basically showing the viewers exactly how to do something very specific, and usually it's with some type of a product. Those are quite popular, but the most popular is actually product review videos. So let's see if we can pull something up. Let's see. Okay, so here, so All right, so here with product reviews, the concept is pretty simple. You're basically just reviewing a specific product, showing the viewers your product, demoing it if possible, whenever possible, or just showing it to them. So I'm sure you've seen these types of videos as well, and this is really the most popular type of video because most people nowadays they won't even make a purchase unless they check online for some type of of a review, whether they're Amazon reviews or more or a video review. So hopefully that gives you some ideas of what you can do with videos. Now, the next step number 3, is basically uploading your video to your YouTube channel and optimizing it. And so once your videos are created, it's pretty simple to upload to YouTube. You just need to take some technical things into account, such as search engine optimization, also known as SEO. Now, just be sure to check out some of my other videos for more details on in my channel, where I show you exactly how to optimize for SEO. Again, you can find that on my channel. Some other videos that'll show you exactly how to do that. But some of the more important tips that you should be sure to include is, for example, you want to include the keyword and the file name as well as in the title of your video. Also include relevant tags, and always use a custom thumbnail when creating your videos. All right, so that takes us now to step number 4, and step number 4 has to do with driving traffic to your videos. Because now that your video is online, you need to get people to watch it, right? You need eyeballs. And the way to do that is, you'll want to share your video on social networks, blogs, forums, message boards, as well as embedding them on other sites if possible. Because your AdSense earnings will be determined by the number of views that your video gets, which, for example, which advertisers appear on your video and how many times the ads are clicked. And high engagement and clicks are more important than total views, but the more views that you get, the higher likelihood of more clicks that you'll get. Now, the cons to earning revenue with AdSense is that you're going to need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the last 12 months just to be eligible. And that really is not that easy for most people, especially if you're just starting out with YouTube. But that's why I wanted to tell you about a better way to make money with YouTube. And it's by using a little known strategy from an internet marketer that is actually making more than $50,000 per month using this strategy, which gets you to the top of Google and YouTube using free traffic. So that means you never have to pay a penny for ads. Now, I want to show you some real results that he's getting just to give you an idea of what you can do with this strategy. So if we go to Google, I'm going to type in, so the way that it works basically is, instead of you making money from views and subscribers, you're basically becoming an affiliate for a product. So it could be software, it could be actual product, physical products, it could be even a service, doesn't matter. So for this example that I want to show you, this is for software. It's called Kartra Trial. Now, the idea here is that we are ranking for a keyword that people are actually, typing in directly. They're aware of the product. They're just trying to get a little bit more information about the product. And as you can see here, this is a #1 ranking in what they call the carousel, the Google carousel. Okay, and this is his YouTube channel, and as you can see, he's appearing there, right there, #1. Sometimes he's here as well, and sometimes this carousel, actually most of the time, it appears closer to the top here. So here are all ads, and then it would appear closer to the top here. But sometimes it is lower, but the point is that it's #1. It stands out more than anything else, and that's something that's really great to have. You're coming up #1. Let's do Demio trial. Okay, and here he's right here. See if there's anywhere else on the carousel. No, that's the end of the carousel. So that's another listing. Let's try Demio versus Webinar Jam. Okay, number one there too. Let's try ever webinar trial. And here he is, actually dominating all three here. So as you can see here, as I was telling you earlier, it could appear a lot closer, and it usually does, closer to the top. So let's see, let's try YouTube, see how we're doing in YouTube. And here we are, or here, yeah, and again, and again, and again. So as you can see, that's total domination there. So I just wanted to show you real quick some live examples. So if you want to get results like this, just click on the link below and you'll have access to this free training. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the notify bell so you can be alerted of my latest videos that I put out regularly. So go ahead, click the link below for the free training, and I'll see you next time.